season changes, many things in my home are turning over. The winter clothes, the duvet, even my skincare. I'm back with Cricut again, this time with the little powerhouse, the Cricut Joy. Today we're doing a warm weather refresh and reorganize with the help of this magical cutting machine. Now, full transparency here, I'm a person that will be messy for a period of time and then tidy furiously and have everything perfect for like a short little while before the cycle restarts again. A lot of this tidying happens when I'm expecting people to come over, so I shove everything into a closet or a drawer, and then what ends up happening is that these things get lost forever. So right now I'm actually sitting in front of my linen closet. This is one of those disaster areas, especially after I've made over my staircase. This is one of those, once I close the door, I don't see it. But the previous owner wrapped the shelving in a very ornate vinyl, and it's actually quite distracting to the eye when you look at it, and it's due for a makeover in that little space of itself. But for now, we're going to reorganize. I'm using adhesive-backed craft paper to make this label, and the craft paper with blue border stays the same, but the size is going to vary. I'm also using the foiling kit for this label set, something that was a first time for me. And since it'll be a nice contrast to the rough craft paper, the result is just immaculate. Note that you do need to tape down the foil properly. As you can see, one of my attempts ended up like this because I didn't tape it down properly. Oh no. So in my closet, I have these stacked lidded boxes, but because I have to access this area almost on the daily, it becomes kind of inconvenient to have to take out all the boxes to access what I need. So what I'm doing is I'm swapping them out for clear drawers instead, so that I don't have to take out the boxes every time I need to get into something. I have a pet first aid kit for Reedy. In a pinch, one day she wasn't feeling well and I was worried, so I had to take her temperature, and I took one of our human thermometers and it officially became the, well, this is the label. So this would be very bad to mix up. There's a reason why there are professional organizers out there. I think a lot of thought goes into making labels. It can be as simple as a pen on paper stuck down with a piece of tape, or something super elaborate with bubble letters and all different types of colors. One thing is for certain is that labels have a task. They need to assist you in your organization and be straightforward. Labels can come in all different shapes and sizes, and Design Space has a plethora of shape options, my favorite being blobs. In a matter of seconds, I have a variety of blob labels. Now, if you're looking for a handwritten look, but if you're like me, can't write on a straight line or keep a consistent look, the Cricut Joy also offers an option to attach a pen to the machine. And the cool thing is that this is writable vinyl, so you can fool people into thinking that you're a professional letterer. This is the perfect starter label project when getting into Cricut because it doesn't require multiple materials or perfect position. The machine does it all for you. These lidded boxes I got from IKEA. They're stackable, they have a lot of different modular combinations and even insets, but they are opaque, so having distinct and easy identifiable labels allow me to quickly access what I need. I believe you can still have fun with labels, and I love the opportunity to express myself in every aspect of my home. I'm making a double layer negative space. Sounds fancy, but actually quite simple. I can easily spend hours, just hours, poring over all the different fonts that Design Space has. And the beauty of their smart vinyl is that you don't have to mount anything on the mat, and you could load your material straight onto the machine and it cuts it straight away. I think the Cricut Joy is the perfect machine to have in your organization arsenal. It's so portable and easy to use. This one will be for all of my winter gear in clear lidded boxes, and the contrasting blues will be easy for me to read for short little me trying to look up into my closet. Just look at the before and after when it used to be stuffed into these clear plastic bags taking up space. Let me know which label design was your favorite in the comments. As always, you can find me on social at Letitia Q, and I've also linked more Cricut video ideas in my description box.